Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Nissan Altima. Stock number is A7328. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look in the trunk now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Nissan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.